The sun melts into the horizon as this sleek silver motorhome stands waiting, glowing softly under the last light of day. Its body gleams like liquid chrome, wrapped in curves that feel sculpted by the wind itself. Golden lines trace its silhouette, and for a moment, it looks less like a vehicle and more like a piece of moving architecture. But as you step closer, the story changes, because what's inside isn't just design. It's a new definition of luxury in motion. The first space you enter is the Eclipse Chamber, a bedroom that feels suspended between reality and dream. The bed floats effortlessly above a dark reflective floor, surrounded by soft amber light that dances across the ceiling arc. The tones are calm, light gray and deep black, accented by gold edges that shimmer with every breath. The tinted side window filters a warm, diffused glow, and the curved walls seem to hold the night in their quiet embrace. It's compact, refined, and deeply personal, a sanctuary that travels wherever you do. Next comes the Goldline Pod, the dressing suite, minimal yet mesmerizing. A circular mirror glows like a halo, lighting your reflection in soft amber. The gold handles glint subtly against dark cabinetry, and the ivory stool feels like a touch of serenity. Light spills through a narrow side window, shimmering on polished floors that mirror every detail. Here, simplicity is art, and every object feels deliberately placed for balance. Move forward, and you enter the amber flow deck, the main lounge. It's modern, moody, and cinematic. Curved gray sofas wrap around a sleek black glass table with a golden base, while underseat glows cast subtle warmth across the floor. The ceiling lines pulse with soft amber light, tracing elegant arcs overhead. The walls hold narrow tinted windows that keep the world outside distant, allowing the inside to feel infinite. Just beyond, the Horizon Core Galley opens, a kitchen dining space, built for both utility and beauty. A black marble countertop gleams beneath champagne LED lines. Golden edges wrap around the cabinetry, and two gray stools rest by a curved table that invites conversation. Every surface reflects warmth, elegant, compact, and undeniably refined. Upstairs, tucked behind a curved glass partition, the amber focus chamber waits, a small office where stillness fuels vision. A gold-trimmed desk, matte black surface, and slim ivory chair face a tinted window streaming soft daylight. A mug rests beside a single monitor, and under-desk light glows like quiet focus embodied in design. The obsidian glow pod, the bathroom, is where luxury meets silence. Black marble meets brushed gold fixtures, and the floating vanity glows from beneath like captured sunrise. The circular mirror emits soft amber halos, and the glass-enclosed shower reflects every spark of light. A recessed soaking tub waits along the edge, its water catching faint glimmers as if alive. Beside it, the mini pool, a round sanctuary with warm water that hums beneath the surface. The view outside stretches into open sky, merging reflection with reality. It's intimate and surreal, a pool built not just for relaxation, but for moments of thought suspended between destinations. Then, the core motion cabin, the gym where motion meets light. A treadmill and bike align before mirrored black panels, surrounded by golden perimeter LEDs that pulse gently as you move. Everything feels symmetrical, silent, alive. Its fitness reimagined for a life in motion. Finally, the Onyx Command Deck, the cockpit of control and creation. A sculpted steering yoke gleams under amber gold lines. Twin digital panels glow softly across the matte black console, while the ivory seat, stitched in gold, seems to belong in a starship. The tinted panoramic windshield reflects the soft interior light, a golden horizon always within reach. When this motorhome moves, it doesn't drive, it glides. Every light, every texture, every whisper of design becomes a symphony of motion. This isn't travel, it's transformation. Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome amazed you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.